2. Have you ever wanted to blow your friends' minds with incredible magic tricks, but had no idea where to start? What if I told you that you could learn thousands of professional magic routines right now? Introducing the Pro Close-Up Magic for Beginners bundle. This isn't just a few card tricks. It's a complete magic course packed into 3 amazing volumes. You'll go from a complete beginner to performing jaw-dropping illusions that will leave everyone speechless. Imagine the look on their faces when you make a coin vanish or read their minds. This bundle has everything you need to become the magician you've always dreamed of being. Stop just watching magic and start performing it. Click the link in the description to get your complete magic course today and unlock your inner magician. Thanks for watching.